Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable the Wi-Fi and connect to some Wi-Fi in your Motorola Edge 13 Neo. So first of all, you have to go to settings here and there search for the networks and internet. And at the up of the option here, there is internet here. And then you have to tap this Wi-Fi option and connect to some internet in your home or office. So you're gonna write the password, click connect, authentication, and voila, couldn't connect. Why? Let's try one more time. Maybe I write the wrong password. Connect one more time. Connected. Okay, so that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by the next video. Hey!